For my note-taking tool, I used OneNote. The nice thing about OneNote is I can download it onto my computer like I did here, or I can also access it through the internet. So here you can see my two different notebooks. I have one for HDFS 201, one for EDCI 270. So within HDFS 201, I have different sections. So I have exam 1, exam 2, exam 3. And within the sections, I have my notes. So these are chapter 3, chapter 2. Then I have exam 2, chapter 7, all the different chapters. Same for this. So all my notes are in one place and they're organized. Then I have my EDCI 270. These ones I have in section off as cases, badges, themes. So I have cases, I have case 2, haven't started that yet. Case 1, I can add in more pages here. I have my badges, so this is just information I've used for any of my badges. And I also have one for themes, so I have my blog post, I have an article, pictures. Now, this is the article I chose to use. Within the article, you can see I have highlights. I also have, I put notes on the side, so I know this important information, what is it about. Pictures. Now, you can also insert pictures and articles within OneNote. So by doing that, you have to download the OneNote onto Google Chrome as an add-in. So this is my article I want to bring to OneNote. I click the OneNote add-in. I want the full page. So this is it. Location. I want to put in my EDCI 270 theme because this goes along with one of my themes. Clip it. It says clipping page. Now I can open it in OneNote within Chrome or through my desktop version of it. So here's the whole thing. I can go in here, draw, highlight whatever I want. I can also add in notes. So I can notes. I can also put in pictures too. So these are the pictures I have so far. So to do this, I can go back and I can search. So I want to do math for elementary. Flickr image, search. Now if I want this one, I can click on it and take it to OneNote. So I don't want the full page, I just want the image. So I highlight the part of the image I want. Now clip. It'll go straight to OneNote. So you can go. So there's my image.